Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing HackerRank's problem, Java Currency Formatter. So this problem states, given a double precision number payment denoting an amount of money, use the NumberFormat class getCurrencyInstance method to convert payment into the US, Indian, Chinese, and French currency formats. Then print the formatted values as follows. US formatted payment, India, China, and France. Where formatted payment is payment formatted according to the appropriate locale's currency. And a note is India does not have a built-in locale, so you must construct one with the language where the language is English. Input format is a single double precision number denoting payment. Output. On the first line, it's going to be formatted for US currency. You see down here it's formatted. Then the second line is India, China, and France, formatted to their locales. Okay, so basically we need to insert code here. So they give us a hint saying that India does not have its own locale. So India, I call this India locale. So we're going to make a new one. We're going to give them a locale. So we're going to have to build it. We're going to set, called the set language. And the language we need to pass in is EN, like they gave us in the description. And then we need to call the set region and pass in India. And finally, after doing all that, we need to build it. Whoops, help if I put a period instead of a comma. Alright, so that takes care of that. So now we need to define these strings that are in squigglies below us. So we'll call this one US. That should get rid of that squiggly. And now we're going to use the number format and then get currency instance. So now we have the locale, which is an enum. We have US, and we just need to format that. We're going to format that. And payment is the double up here that is scanned in. You can see the squiggly mark is gone from under US. So we basically just need to repeat this 3 more times. So I'm just going to copy these. Alright, so the second one is India. Number format, get currency instance. And we don't use a locale this time, we use our variable from above, India locale. Then we'll do China. Number format, locale, you guessed it, China. And finally, we're going to do France. And locale. And you can always use the drop down if you don't know. France, format payment. Okay, let's run it. Congratulations, it was successful. Alright, and it passed all our test cases. So that's all there is to this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.